Chef PB, can you make us something to eat?
Ah! Junior, get in the fire extinguisher! The kitchen's on fire!
Cody, grab the fire extinguisher to the pantry!
Really? Me?
Yes, grab it, Cody!
Go grab it, Cody! Damn, put some pep in your step!
Grab it!
Fine. Where is the stupid fire extinguisher? Oh, there it is. Oh.
Holy there's a fire! Good thing I got cups of water. Hold on. Okay, here you go. Fire neutralized. Wait, hold on. There's a little tiny...
Oh, God!
Okay, there we go. Now the fire's neutralized.
Thank you so much, firefighter!
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Listen, guys, I cannot pick up that fire extinguisher.
Too late, Cody. The fire department already came and put out the fire.
Yeah, no thanks to you, Cody. We all could have died and it would have been your fault.
Well, hey, if you wanted the fire extinguisher that bad, you could have gotten it yourself.
Oh, I could strangle you right now.
Hey, Chef PB, can you make us something to eat? We're hungry.
I'm not making anything else. The ramen's burnt. Look, you better order something. I give up.
Come on, Cody.